How effective is having a chat box on your website in the bottom right corner with a bot running it, or at least a place to grab contact info from leads? Okay, so if you're just having a bot, run your chat box, I mean, if we're talking about like a Facebook bot or something like that, because you can use messenger bots. I'm not a big fan of messenger bots. We use them for order processing, but I don't really use them for anything else. We actually have a free solution for chat boxes. If anybody's interested, send me a message. And we actually have a free chat box that is actually staffed by a real person 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it's free. We don't charge any setup fees or anything like that. I actually don't know why I don't talk about this more, because I really should, because there's companies out there that just charge a ridiculous amount. And it's staffed by a real person 24 hours a day. And basically you just pay for every lead that you get, which is like $10 a lead. But if you don't have any leads for a particular month, then you don't pay anything, and you dictate what actually constitutes a lead. But a bot running a chat script on your website, I would say is probably not that good. We see a lot of chat leads coming in through our clients through this chat box that we use, but it's because it's a real person that's actually on there. So their goal is to convert someone that's on your website that might not necessarily be in that stage where they're ready to pick up the phone and call you, or fill out a contact form. But what we want to do is it's almost like you're in a department store, and when somebody walks up and says, "Hi, how may I help you?" But the difference is that in a department store, I always get annoyed with those people because they won't go away. With this, you just click the minimize button and the chat goes away. So it's really non-invasive, but those people that do want to talk to people, it allows you to start chatting with them. And I think that we pull a lot of leads from websites that would have not otherwise been leads because they didn't pick up the phone, and it's actually a real person. Now, what you want to make sure is that you have a chat box that their goal is to get the contact information and get you in touch with that lead as quickly as possible. You don't want a chat box that's obviously trying to scan leads for you and certainly not offer legal advice or anything. So the function of our chat box is really to qualify the lead, capture their contact information, and then get them to the attorney as quickly as possible for intake. And that's what you should do for a chat box. So chat boxes are effective. I don't like the chat boxes that pop up and take the entire screen up. There's a lot of lawyers that use those. I don't like those, and I think nowadays, even with mobile, with mobile first search in Google, I think it actually hurts your Google rankings to have something that takes up the entire window. I just think people are annoyed with that anyway. So, in the corner, I think they're effective as long as a real person's using it.